teacher for Science 7, okay, for 7 Sparrow. I am Mr. Rolando R. Barcelon. Okay, so I am a graduate, a Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in General Science. Okay, so I took my master's at Philippine Normal University and currently taking a Master of Arts in Philosophy at the University of the Philippines. Okay, so we welcome you all. You can call me as Sir Roland. Okay, Kuya Roland. Okay, so whatever. Okay, so you can call me that. Okay, so but my full name is Rolando R. Barcelon. I am a native of Carigara, Leyte. Okay, so therefore I can speak Waray. Okay, so with that, and I can understand some some Bisaya words. Okay, so but not at all. Okay, if you can speak Bisaya for 100%, I can understand only 50%. Okay, so good morning mga anak. Okay, so okay, could you please stay tuned? Okay, stay cool lang. Okay, so as we go through with our lesson for today. Okay, so this is our first day with me. Okay, so now who's your first teacher in Science 7?
Ma'am Mary Grace Flores po.
Okay, so Ma'am Mary Grace Flores. So Ma'am Flores is now at she's now abroad. Okay, so she's pretty promoted there. Okay, so doing really well. Okay, okay. So now, you are grade 7. Okay, so me, I know. Okay, so who are the graduates or the honor graduates from grade 6? Okay, so could you please type honor? Okay, so could you please type in the chat box honors? Okay, so if you are part of the honor roll or of the honors list, okay, from grade 7. Okay, so this is just a form of getting to know each one. Sino sa inyo ang graduate? Okay, so nang with honors or high honors or with highest honors? Okay, so wow. Okay, so I have seen here. Okay, so we have Gilbert Menor, John Brian Ezekiel. Okay, so Mohammed Ben. Okay, so Shine. Okay, so wow. almost almost all of you are honor graduates. Wow, congratulations. Okay, so thank you. Now, as we proceed, okay, so in our class, okay, so we are going to play our class hymn, and you are going to sing our class hymn. Okay, so you are going to post it on Google Classroom. Okay, so I'll be providing you the song. Okay, so I'll be providing you the song and the music. Okay, so for this class hymn. Okay, so but before we proceed with our class hymn, okay, so let's have first the class rules. Okay, so now the first class rule is that, okay, follow directions properly. Failure to follow, okay, so means 0 points. Okay, so once again, everybody read number 1.
Follow directions properly. Failure to follow
Pressure
means
to
0
follow me
points.
0 points.
Ayan. Okay, so I said everybody read. Okay, but I noticed there were there were only 2 who participated the recitation. Okay, so when I say everybody, okay, so you are going to participate. Please practice English. Okay, so as you join with my class. Okay, so we are going to develop you the best speakers. Okay, so the best person in life or in the world. Okay, so once again, follow directions properly. Failure to follow instruction. Okay, failure to follow means 0 points. Once again, everybody read.
Follow
Follow
directions
directions
Follow the
properly.
directions
Failure
properly.
to
Follow
follow
me
me
to
to
follow
follow
means
me
0
0
points.
points.
0 point.
Ayan. Okay, so wow. There are a lot of you who participated. Thank you so much. But there are still who did not participate. I have no idea. Okay, so I have no concrete idea why they are not participating. But I guess they are still sleeping. Okay, so next, number 2. Okay, so you're going to, okay, so could you please read it? Okay, Princess.
Turn off microphone when not needed.
Okay, so paki-translate mo nga yan, Gilbert, sa Tagalog. Anong ibig sabihin yan sa Filipino? Gilbert? Okay, paki-translate mo nga yan sa Filipino. Si Gilbert ay nilalagnat. Naku anak, pagaling ka. Okay, so pagaling ka anak. Okay, so ganun talaga ang buhay ngayon. Malamig kasi. Okay, so magkakaubot sipon. Okay, so in the process of ubot sipon, okay, there comes a lagnat. Okay, so yung lagnat na yan. Okay, so once again, Alexandra, okay, could you please translate it to Filipino? Yes, Hermon?
Patayin ang mikropono kapag di kinakailangan.
Ayan. Okay, so turn off microphone when not needed. Okay, kapag hindi kinakailangan. Okay, very good, Herman. Okay, so just turn off your microphone. Now, if you want to recite, just unmute. Just unmute your microphone. Okay, so kung wala akong tinatawag, just unmute it and recite it. Okay, so that would be our second rule. Now, the third rule is that, everybody read.
Always
Always
turn
turn on your webcam.
Always turn your
Always
webcam.
Ayan, thank you so much. Okay, please practice English. When I say everybody, okay, so try to speak. Okay, try to open your mouth. Okay, so that you can be the best speaker. Okay, you can be the best thinker. And you can be the best communicator in the world. Okay, so it's a global skill. Okay, so please take note that communication skill is a global skill. You need to practice that. Okay, so hindi po pwede sa panahon ngayon ang mahiyain, hindi po pwede ngayon ang walang alam. Kailangan may alam tayo lahat. Okay, so this is one of the strategies for survival. Otherwise, you cannot survive. Okay, so in this generation. Okay, so once again, you're going to always turn on your webcam. Okay, so now that's one of my requirements, to always open your webcam. Okay, so it's my requirement. Why? First one is, I really need your focus. Okay, so be reminded that when you are not focusing in your learning, you will not really learn. Promise. Okay, so pag marami kang ginagawa at you are not really focusing, you are not really learning. And you are not my student. Okay, so I do not want students who are not really focusing. Bakit? Okay, so it's unfair. It's unfair for you. And it's unfair for the government. Why? We are being paid by the government to teach you, and yet you are not listening and you are not really learning. Okay, so mahirap yung ganun. Okay, so tandaan, binabayaran ng mga guro para maturuan ka. Nang libre ha, libre, wala ka pong bayad. Okay, so pero pag nasa private school ka, magbabayad ka para katuruan. Pero sa gobyerno, hindi na. It's all free. It's all for free. Okay, para lang kayo matuto. Tapos hindi kayo makikinig. Parang unfair naman ata yun. Okay, so you do not deserve the subsidy of the government if and only if you are doing nothing good. Okay, so once again, opening a camera is my requirement. Okay, so if you will not open your webcam, then you will lose points. Okay, so attending the class, okay, so means 20 points for every synchronous class. Opening the webcam. Okay, so now, if you will not open your webcam, then you will just get 15 points. Okay, so 20 and 15 points. And with that, it will be administered, or it will be recorded by your class officers. Do you have science class officers? Seven Sparrow? Ay, kinakausap ko kayo. Do you have class officers? Do you have science class officers?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so science class officers is different. Okay, it's different from class officers. Okay, class officers sa klase niyo yun. I really wanted to have science class officers. Mayroon po ba yung...
Wala po.
Wala pa. Who is the current president of this class? Who is the class president? Just unmute your microphone. Pag may tanong ako at wala akong tinatawag, just unmute. Who's that? Who's that?
John Brian po.
Ayan, okay. So pag nagsabi ako who's that, pangalan ang hinihingi ko. Okay, who's that? Ibig sabihin, who is that? Okay, so John Brian. Okay, so John Brian, you are the class president. Okay, so from what school are you in your grade 6?
Doña Josefa Elementary School po.
Wow, ang yaman, mga Doña. Doña Josefa. Okay, so ano yan? Kapatid yan ni Don Jose. Si Doña Josefa. Okay, so now John Brian, okay, so please help me to administer election for Science 7. Okay, magkaroon kayo, it's either Google Meet or Google Form. Okay, so please help me to do that. Okay, so because the science class officers will help me all throughout the school year. Okay, they were the ones to facilitate the recording of the attendance. Okay, so they will facilitate the leadership. Okay, so during the course for Science 7. Okay, so I need your help. And we are building you to become the best leaders. Okay, so take note that we are training you to become the best leaders. Okay, so when you say this is a leadership training. Okay, so dapat marunong kayo maging isang leader. Okay, so yan yung isa sa mga skills sa ngayon, ang pagiging isang leader. Pag hindi ka leader, wala, sunod-sunuran ka lang. Okay, so you must be leaders. You must be all leaders. Why? Because you are learning. Okay, so naging leader ka kasi may pinag-aralan ka. Okay, so kung wala ka pinag-aralan, okay, so sunod-sunuran ka lang kasi wala kang practice, kumbaga you do not practice. That's why okay, as young as you, as grade 7, okay, so please practice leadership. Okay, so John Brian, would it be okay for you to help me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so please facilitate that. Okay, so kayo na bahala. Okay, just tell me who are the officers, elected officers. Okay, so be fair. Okay, so kung ano man yung gagawin niya. Once again, okay, so there must be officers. Okay, so science class president must not be the class president ha. Iba dapat ha. Iba yung class president. Okay, kaysa sa science class president. Okay, so the science class president will help me in monitoring the attendance, taking screenshots together with the class secretary. Then the vice president will assist. Okay, so and the rest of the officers. Okay, so thank you so much. Okay, so once again, okay, so opening a webcam is a necessary or is a requirement in my class. Una, once again, pakitandaan mga naka, number 1 is focus. I really need focus. Tandaan, hindi natututo ang isang bata pag walang focus. Subukan mo. Okay, subukan kong makinig ng lesson ko, tapos maglaro ka ng ML. Okay, so matulog ka. Okay, tutulog-tulog ka. Ang tanong, matututo ka ba niyan? John Brian?
Hindi po, sir.
Oh, natural, no? Okay, so hindi. Okay, would it be fair? Okay, so would it be fair from the government and from your parents? Okay, so na binibihisan ka, pinapakain ka, tapos hindi ka naman talaga nag-aaral. So it's unfair. Okay, so you should be fair in everything. Okay, so dapat suklian nyo ng kabutihan. Kung ginagawa ng gobyerno ang kabutihan, abay suklian mo para sa iyan. Okay, so walang ibang hiling ang government kundi ang maging matagumpay ka. Okay, so we are leading you to the road of success. Okay, so ngayon kung pilit kang lumiliko sa kanto, problema mo na yun. Basta our goal, okay, so with your parents, together with your parents, the school together with your parents is for you to have the best success in life later on. Kaya kayo nag-aaral, di ba? Nag-aaral ka ba kung hindi ka sumusunod? Okay, so please follow. Okay, so once again, except kung mayroong problema, halimbawa may sakit ka, okay, so yun, hindi ka talaga makapag-open ng cam yun. Yun nga lang, 15 points ka lang doon. Okay, so kasi the requirement is open a webcam is 20 points. Okay, so it's a requirement. Okay, so but not mandatory, but I am requesting for you to follow that. Okay, so para nakikita ko dito. I'm just minimizing here. Okay, I will just unpin my presentation, then I can see you all here. Okay, so who are opening the webcam. Okay, so once again, okay, so I know, Ma'am Mary Grace, did she require you to open the webcam?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes.
so okay, thank you so much. Okay, so same thing with me. Okay, so it's focus. Okay, so you will learn if you have focus. Number 2, it's for security. Para malaman namin kung ano nangyayari sa sarili mo dyan. Malay mo biglang may pumasok dyan na kakaiba. Okay, kung ano nang ginagawa pala sa'yo. O at least nakikita namin dito. Okay, so may magsabi, Sir, nangyayari kay John Brian. So may ganun. Okay, so yun. Okay, so make sure, okay, so open. Okay, so at least half body ng camera ay nakikita sa inyo. Wala akong makikitang kamerang gumagalaw-galaw ha. Okay, so when you attend my class, dapat ready ang lahat. Okay, so you must be ready. Okay, so dapat yung camera, naka-fix sa isang lamesa, sa isang table, sa isang cup, para hindi gagalaw-galaw yung camera. Okay, so half body, make it half body. Okay, so thank you so much. Okay, so that would be our third rule. Okay, so fourth rule. Okay, so could you please read it? Okay, so Kester, Caleb.
For more, for more concerns, just unmute your mic and you are free to say something related to the discussion.
Ayan, thank you so much, Caleb. Okay, so just unmute your microphone if you have anything to say. Walang problema doon. So long as it is related to the discussion. Eh kung may gusto kayo tanong, tanong. Okay lang yan. So long as it's related to our discussion and to our class. Okay, so thank you so much. Okay, so once again, here's any questions with our class rules? Any questions?
Nothing po.
Nothing po, sir.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay, so let's move on now to our class hymn. You're going to sing this and memorize the song. Okay, so
I used to be a gold and a good miner too, but now I finished mining, I don't know what to do. I'm growing old and feeble and I can't mine no more, so I'm going to work my ticket if I can. Back to see just happy school. I'm going to work my ticket if I can. Back to see just happy school. I'm going to work my ticket if I can. I used to be a suggestion and I need suggestion too, but now I finish suggestion, I don't know what to do. I'm growing old and feeble and I can't suggestion no more, so I'm going to work my ticket if I can. Back to see just happy school. I'm going to work my ticket if I can. Back to see just happy school. I'm going to work my ticket if I can. Back to see just happy school. I'm going to work my ticket if I can. Back to see just happy school. I'm going to work my ticket if I can. I used to be a gold and a good miner too, but now I finished mining, I don't know what to do. I'm growing old and
okay, so that's our class hymn. Okay, you're going to sing it and you're going to submit it via Google Classroom. You can sing it by individual or by group. Okay, so what do you prefer? By group or individual? Okay, so it's up to you. It's up to you.
By
Okay, so
individual.
you can group according to your friends or depende sa boses ninyo. Okay, so walang problema kahit di marunong kumanta, walang problema yan. Kasi ako lang naman ang nakakarinig doon. Okay, so the important thing is this, the performance. Because you are part of my class, you're going to sing our class hymn. Okay, this will be played and you're going to sing it. Okay, so before we begin with our formal lesson of the day. Okay, so now you're going to change the gold because gold is a section. You're going to change it with sparrow. I used to be a sparrow and a good sparrow too. Okay, so but now I've finished up sparrowing. I don't know what to do. Okay, so just like that one. Okay, so from gold, you're going to change it to sparrow. What's the Filipino term of sparrow? Mga anak. Uy, kinakausap ko kayo. Okay. Once again, anong Filipino term ng sparrow?
Maya.
Okay, yes. Okay, so I used to be a Maya and a good Mayanan too. But now I've finished my Mamayana. Don't know what to do. Okay, so parang ganun. Okay, so it's up to you. You're going to use English or Filipino. Okay, so it's up to your creativity. Okay, now, so the song is available on YouTube. Just type Back to Sijas. Okay, Back to Sijas class hymn. Okay, so you can sing that one. And if you're If your group is very good, you can upload it on YouTube. Okay, so if you are confident that you are good in singing, okay, then you can upload it on YouTube. Okay, then the -1 is also available on YouTube. Just type Back to C Jazz. Okay, the -1 and with the lyrics, okay, available din. Okay, so would it be okay for you? Okay lang po ba sa inyo na kumanta kayo?
Opo.
Ayan,
Opo.
thank you so much. Ayun. At alam nyo ba, okay, so based on studies, kapag ang klase daw ay hindi marunong kumanta, big sabihin low ang academic performance niyan. Pag ang klase daw ay magagaling kumanta, matatalinong klase daw yun. Kaya paalam na, pag marunong kumanta at magaling kumanta, matalino yan. Okay, so yan yung sabi nun. Okay, so kasi yung pagsunod pa nga lang ng pagsunod ng tugtog, alam mo ba yun? Pagsunod pala ng tugtog, pag di ka marunong sumunod, wala na. Okay, alis ka na dun. Okay, so once again, after the class hymn, it will be followed. Okay, so after the class hymn, it will be followed. Okay, once again, I'm taking screenshots. Okay, so it will be followed by a Makabayan song. Okay, so it's one of the core values of Department of Education. Okay, so is to have or is for you to become ay makabayan. Okay, so dapat tayo ay isang makabayan. Okay, so malaking utang na loob natin sa mga taong makabayan. Okay, so because of them, okay, so malaya tayo. Hindi tayo katulad ng North Korea. Okay, so na ang North Korea ay karamihan sa kanila ay mga slave. Okay, so karamihan sa kanila ay mga alipin. It's because yung karamihan sa kanila ay hindi nakipaglaban, okay, so sa freedom. Kaya mapapansin ninyo yung mga North Koreans, wala. Kawawa yung iba doon. Almost, I guess, 75% or 50% of them are slaves. Okay, sa kanilang bansa. Okay, so alipin sila doon. Okay, so it's because hindi naakamta nila ang kalayaan. Okay, so kaya we should always love. Okay, so we should always love our country. Okay, so Makabayan song is this one. I can change the song anytime. Everybody sing.
Pilipinas kong mahal, ang puso ko at buhay man sa iyo'y bibigay. Tungkulin kong nagampanan na lagi kang paglingkuran. Ang laya mo'y mabantayan, Pilipinas kong mahal.
Okay, so yan yung ating Makabayan song. Okay, so Pilipinas kong mahal. Okay, so yun yung isa sa mga ipi-play ko. Okay, so kapag tayo ay may klase. Okay, so before that. Okay, so once again. Dali, nag-ano yung Ayan. Okay, so after Makabayan song, then if there's somebody, okay, after Makabayan song, we are going to pray. Okay, so the prayer, okay, so will be led by the science class officers first. Okay, so after the science class officers, okay, so we will be looking for volunteers, or the officers should assign, okay, so one to pray for every synchronous class. Okay, so next week, okay, the president should start with leading the prayer. Okay, so you are going to pray your classmates, your teachers, okay, so the CJS community, okay, so and others. Okay, so please pray for a very successful class. Okay, so as we go through with our synchronous class. Okay, so then after the prayer, okay, so it will be followed by a review of the lesson. Okay, so after review, it will be followed by the lesson proper. Okay, then evaluation or whatever. Okay, so there could be dynamics. Okay, so in terms of class presentations. I am taking screenshots to those who are open their webcam. Okay, so because you will be getting 20 points. Okay, so perfect score for today. Okay, so then 15 points to those who did not open their webcam. Okay, so is there anybody who's celebrating birthday today? Meron bang may birthday? Wala. Okay, so then kung may birthday, we are going to sing them a happy birthday. So kakantahan natin sila ng happy birthday. Kung may birthday. Kung wala naman, let's move on. Okay, so walang may birthday. Okay, now ngayon meron ako ditong picture. Okay, so ang sabi niyan isang paraiso 'yan. Okay, so if you will be in the paradise or if you will become part of the paradise, what would it be? Okay, so kung gusto mo maging parte ng isang paraiso, anong gusto mo diyan? Gusto mo ba maging isang puno, maging halaman, maging tubig? Okay, so yes, Angelica.
Maging tubig, sir.
Why? Bakit kaya?
Pwede po ba, sir, Tagalog yung yung answer or English?
No problem, anak. No problem. Go.
Ano po kasi maganda po siya sa mata, lalo na po pag may kulay po siya, kulay blue or dark.
Okay,
Ayun
very
po,
good.
nakakaakit po.
Very good, Angelica. So gusto niyang maging tubig. She wants to be water. Okay, who else? Yes, John Brian.
Puno, sir.
Yes, why?
Kasi sir, wala na pong mamamatay kung kung meron pong hangin.
Wow. Okay,
Hangin.
okay, yes. Okay, so kumbaga, healthy environment. Okay, so wow, very good, John Brian. You're a nature lover, John Brian. Siguro may mga garden ka sa bahay, no?
Yes, sir.
Wow. Nahulaan ko. Okay, so pupunta ako sa inyo. Okay, i-check ko. Okay, so Hermon.
Puno po, sir.
Hermon, open your webcam.
Puno
Yes.
po, sir.
Why?
So that I would be one of the reason why people live po.
Oh, wow. Okay, so it's likewise John Brian. Okay, so who else? Anong gusto nyo sa isang paraiso? Muhammad. Hello, Muhammad. Hindi po kita narinig, anak. Okay, so let's move on to Caleb. Hindi kita narinig, Muhammad. Okay, Caleb. Okay, so anong gusto mo dyan? Kung gusto mo maging part ng isang paraiso.
Sir, gusto ko po maging coconut tree po.
Wow, why?
Para po makapagbigay ng food and water and shed sa mga tao po.
Wow. Okay, very good. Okay, so alam mo ba yung coconut, anak? Okay, so siya daw yung tawag the wonder plant. Lahat ay magagamit mo. Okay, so lahat ng parte ng puno na yan, lahat ay magagamit ng tao. Okay, so the coconut tree. Okay, so the coconut nut is a giant nut. Sabay ganun yung kanta ni Yoyoy, no? Okay, so who else? Okay, thank you to those who have shared their ideas. Anyone? Okay, so wala na. Okay, so maging isang paraiso kayo sa bawat isa, ha? Okay, so yun ang goal natin. Okay, na tayo ay maging isang paraiso. Okay, so maging parte ng paraiso. Okay, so para maging peaceful ang lahat. Okay, katulad lang nasabi ng inyong classmates ay ang maging isang mapayapa. Okay, so maayos na klase. Okay, so 'di ba, John Brian? Okay, so let us all live through peace or through a peace community. Okay, so
Sir,
wag
pwede
tayong
po ba,
Yes po, John Brian.
sir, pwede po ba wala po sa picture na yan?
Yes, okay. Ano ang gusto mong i-add?
Ayon po kasi po sa Apocalypse 21:4, wala na
Wow.
pong mamamatay, wala na pong iiyak, wala na pong magkakaroon ng kirot, wala na pong magdadalamhati.
Okay, so very good. Anong dinagdag mo,
Wala
anak?
po ng paraiso.
Okay. Correct ka dyan. Okay, so thank you so much, John Brian. Yan ang gusto. Okay, so you participate. Okay, so just like a paradise, no? Okay, so from the works, from the citation from Apocalypse. Okay, so Apocalypse. Okay, so thank you for sharing with that, John Brian. Okay, so maging party tayo ng isang paraiso sa isang klase. Para lahat tayo ay asensado. Okay, so matutuwa ka niyan kung halimbawa pagdating ng panahon, lahat kayo ay accountant, lahat kayo ay police, lahat kayo ay kumbaga militar, kumbaga lahat may participation sa community. Okay, so kaya nakakalungkot halimbawa yung mga kabatch ninyo. Okay, so na holdupper, kidnapper, naku nakakatakot yung mga kumbaga kung ikaw ay teacher doon para nakakapanlo mo. Ano ba nangyari? Ano ba't naituro ko sa batang ito? Ba't ganito? Okay, so that is why let's contribute. Okay, so to become part, okay, so of a paradise. Okay, so maging part tayo ng isang paraiso. Okay, now, requirements. Okay, so you need to submit all your requirements through Google Classroom. Okay, so bibigay ko sa inyo, hindi ko lang alam kung mag-create ako ng bago or check ko pa kay sa aming department head. Kung pwede ko mag-create ng bagong Google Classroom. Okay, so then you're going to make electronic portfolio. Okay, so yung electronic portfolio, ano lang yun? Tawag dito. Gagamit lang kayo ng PowerPoint. Okay, so lahat ba kayo marunong na sa PowerPoint?
Opo.
Okay, so sige. Thank you so much. Okay, so sa PowerPoint, i-attach nyo lang yung mga ginawa ninyo. Halimbawa, pinasulat ko kayo, pipicturean nyo, tapos lagay nyo sa PowerPoint. Lagyan mo sa unang page, magpakilala ka, pangalan mo, picture mo. Okay, so pangalan ng school, pangalan ng section, pangalan ng advisor, pangalan ng teacher mo sa science. Okay, so sa unang page yun. Second page, dire-diretso mo lang. Just attach kung anong gusto mong i-share doon sa portfolio na yun, kung anong ginawa mo. Okay, so it's a form of verification kung ano yung mga bang performance meron ka. And you are going to submit it 1 week before the end of the quarter. Sasubmit siya, okay, so bago matapos ang quarter. Pero I will be asking you to submit, tawag dito, for comments. Okay, so after 2 weeks or 3 weeks, okay, so, or 4 weeks, okay, so for me to check your portfolio. Check ko kung tama o mali yung ginagawa mo. Then I will suggest for improvement. Okay, so we call it as e-portfolio. Okay, so para sa mga online. Okay, so para sa mga ano tawag dito, modular, they will submit portfolio naman. Okay, so kumbaga kung mga nandun, kung anong sinagutan niya, isa-submit lang. Okay, so may tanong dito. Okay, so once again, kapag may tanong, anong sabi ko? Pag may tanong, just unmute your microphone. Huwag nang mag-type sa chat box kasi mahirap mag-open pa ng chat box. Okay, so Gilbert, ano nga yung tanong mo, Gilbert? Paki ano na lang, just unmute. Gilbert? Gilbert? May tanong si Gilbert. Menor. Okay. Sir, wala po kaming computer kasi nasunugan po kami. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, so kung walang computer, okay, so tablet ng Quezon City. Okay, so humingi po uli kayo. Kung nasunog po ang tablet, humiram po uli kayo ng tablet sa school. Okay, sabihin nyo lang po, pinahiram po kayo ni Sir Roland. Sabi ko na yun. Okay, sabihin nyo lang po na tawag dito, nasunog po. Pinapalitan po yun kung nasunog po yung tablet. Okay, so kung once again, kung nawalan po ng tablet, libre po ang tablet po ha. Okay, so libre po yun. Wala po kayong babayaran doon. Okay, so kung nasunog po, papalitan po yun. Ganun lang kasimple yun. Okay, so pero mayroong atang certification na kailangan na katunayan na nasunog. Baka pipirmahan lang yun ni Kapitan. Okay, so yun nun. Okay, so once again, hindi po kailangan dito ng computer. Kailangan lang po dito yung tablet. Okay, so tama ba sa tablet na kapag open kayo ng PowerPoint?
Opo, sir. Yes,
Ayan,
po, sir.
okay. So sa Quezon City tablet, yung Samsung. Okay, so okay na yun. Okay, so you can attach that one. Okay, screenshots na maginawa. Okay, so dito. Okay, attendance, screenshot of your attendance. Okay, so please document it and throw your electronic portfolio. Okay, so and other requirements that I'll be telling you. Okay, so now mga anak, usually requirement ko is video output. Okay, so bihira ako magpa-requirements ng hindi video output. It's because okay, so just unmute your microphone pag may tanong kasi it takes time. It takes time pa para mag-open ng chat box. Okay, so si Gilbert may type na, okay po sir, nakuha na daw po ni mama. Ikaw po gamit kasi kakaluwas ko lang po galing po probinsya. Okay, anak, ingat ka ha. Okay, so ano pa bang mga kailangan mo? Okay, so baka ano pang mga kailangan mo? Okay, so just tell us. Okay, so baka may maitulong kami sa inyo ha. Okay, so once again, okay, if you need to say something, just unmute your microphone, diretso na para ma-address ako agad. Okay, so ang requirement ko lang dito ay Google Classroom at saka electronic portfolio. Okay, now yung Google Classroom, nandun yung quizzes, okay, exams, long test. Okay, long test or short test, okay, doon, it's graded and recorded. Okay, so then, other requirements or tasks or activities, okay, to be assigned at the Google Classroom. Remember, or reminder, okay, so hindi po ako tumatanggap ng submission via Messenger. Okay, so kasi pag pinayagan ko ang isa, lahat ay magsasubmit na via Messenger. Okay, so it's hard for me, okay, to handle around 400 or 300, around 400 na mga bata. Could you imagine kung lahat kayo magsasubmit sa Messenger? Okay, so wala na akong nagawa kundi mag-open ng Messenger. Okay, kaya nasa Google Classroom tayo lahat. Now, kung may problem kayo sa Google Classroom, I can assist you or the technical team of CJAS, you can assist you with your problem kung may problem kayo sa Google Classroom. Ang tanong, lahat ba kayo ay okay na sa Google Classroom? Nandun na ba kayo?
Yes
Opo,
po,
sir.
sir.
Okay, so dyan sa lasa kung may problem. Kasi, okay, thank you. Wala akong ibang ina-allow na pagsasabitan kundi Google Classroom lamang. I do not accept Gmail or Messenger. I do not accept that one. Okay, so sa Google Classroom lang po. Okay, so it's one, please help me that kasi hindi ko kaya ang lahat ay mag 400, mag-ano tayo, mag-messenger. Kasi pag ginawa ng isa, pag pinayagan yung isa, lahat gagaya. O, di wala na. Okay, so wala na napunta sa Google Classroom, ng messenger na lang. Okay, so any questions regarding my requirements or our requirements?
Nothing, sir.
Okay,
Wala na
nothing.
po, sir.
Thank you so much. Okay, so wow. Okay, so that's a very good skill Okay, na kapag nagtatanong si sir, may sumasagot. Okay, so I like that. Okay, so you are a proactive learner. You're a proactive, hindi kayo passive. Okay, so kasi pag may tinatanong ako at hindi sumasagot, ang tawag sa kanila doon mga passive learner. Pag sinabing passive, ang tagal mag-respond. It's because their brains are still processing. Kumbaga, medyo mabagal mag-process ang brain. Kaya mabagal din ang sagot. Kaya pag sinabi, anak, bumili ka ng toyo. Okay. Ang tagal pa yan. Tagal pa yan bago tumayo. Hindi ka ba talaga bibili? Okay, yan. Saka lang siya bibili kapag papaluin na. Oo, mama, bibili na po. Ayan. Passive yung mga ganun. Okay, hindi katulad ng iba, pag sinutusan, nak, bili ka nga ng toyo. Pag ikaw ay proactive, ang sabihin, ma, akin na. Ilan po? Diyan po ba sa harap or diyan sa likod? Yung ibang bata, nasanay kasi na maging passive. Hindi dapat ganun ang training. Okay, as a student, okay, dapat ang training sa inyo ay proactive. Okay, so halimbawa, may nasusunog. Kung hindi mo lang sinasadya, ganun. Okay, may agad, may action agad. Papatay niya agad yung sunog. Hindi yung, nasusunog. Nasusunog na, tapos saka pa lang, ang laki na ng sunog, saka pa lang sumisigaw. Okay, so di ba? Okay, so inantay mo na, nasusunog? Nasusunog! Okay, so dapat ay proactive. Okay, so yan. Okay, so thank you mga anak. Okay, let's all become proactive learners. Okay, so next, grading system, dalawa lang naman yun. 50% written works. Yung quizzes, anak, gagalingan ninyo kasi it's 50%. It's graded and recorded. Pag nagbigay ako ng long test or short test, it's graded and recorded. Galingan ninyo. It's 50%. Okay, so then 50% performance task. Usually video output ito. Okay, so why? Bakit video output? Iniiwasan ko ang pagkokopyahan. Kumbaga, pwede kasing mag-copy-paste lang ng sagot. Mag-copy-paste kung saan sa Google. Pero kapag video output yan, mas okay yan kasi less ang kopyahan yan. Pag video output, dapat kasama ka mga anak kasama kayo Dapat kasama sarili nyo. Hindi yung naka-background lang kayo. Okay, so any questions? No more? Okay, so now let's move on na. Okay, so we are now on the part of science. Pag sinabi natin science, okay, so what comes into your mind?
Study of biology po.
Okay, yes, study of biology, no? Mga pag-aaral tungkol sa biology, pag-aaral lahat. Okay, so technically, pag sinabi nating science, okay, so it's derived from Latin words scientia, okay, so and zere. Okay, so yun yung mga pinagmulan ng salitang science. Everybody say it, science.
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 Okay,
Science.
so pag sinabi kong everybody, please participate. Try to speak English. Okay, so train yourself to become the best communicator, ha? Okay, so science comes from the Greek words, Latin words, sorry. Scientia and zere. Pag sinabi natin scientia, meaning that is knowledge. Pag sinabi natin zere, okay, this means, okay, to know. Okay, so yung ice cream ninyo, pag naarawan, to know. Okay, so kumakain ba kayo ng ice cream? Okay, so yun yun. Pag natunaw, that's science. Ziri. Ziri. Zaire or ziri. Okay, so it's a Latin word, or zaire, which means to know. Okay, di ba? Okay, di ba, Caleb? Pag kumain ng ice cream, pag nainitan, to know ang ice cream. Okay, so now, science is a systematized body of knowledge, and there are three main branches. What are those three branches of science?
Applied natural social.
Social.
And social.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay, I said when I require you to recite, just unmute your microphone. Magsalita na magsalita. Try to practice English. It's a training for you to speak English. Kaya I require you to speak in chorus. Hayaan nyo lang na magkasabay-sabay kayo. Anyway, ano lang naman yan eh. Google Meet lang naman tayo eh. Okay, hindi ka naman na ano yung tainga mo eh. Okay, so once again, science, we have three major branches. We have applied sciences, natural sciences, and social sciences. Okay, so now, ang biology, saan dito banda? Is it in applied sciences or natural sciences or social
Natural
sciences?
cell.
Natural.
Yes.
Natural
Okay,
science.
so very good. Biology is part of the natural sciences. Okay, so nandyan. So pag sinabi nating ito 'yon, okay, pag sinabi nating apply dito yung mga engineering, yung i-apply na yung mga pinag-aralan, agriculture, medicine, yun. Okay, ang social, ito naman yung social sciences, anthropology, psychology, sociology. Now, ang natural sciences divided into two. Okay, study of non-living at saka study of living things. Pag study of non-living, ito yon, yung physical sciences, astronomy, chemistry, geology, mineralogy, physics, volcanology. Okay, so take screenshots ha. Take screenshots kayo sa lecture para may attach kayo sa portfolio. Please attach lecture in your portfolio. Okay, so para may maalala kayo. Now, sa biology, natin sa tatlo, it's either botany, okay, zoology. Now, in between, we have microbiology, mga pag-aaral sa mga maliliit. Now, so yung biology, ito yun. Ang daming branches ng biology. Okay, so number one, we have anatomy. Everybody say it, anatomy.
Anatomy of the body.
Okay, bacteriology.
Bacteriology.
Say it.
Bacteriology.
Structure of the body.
Next,
Bacteriology.
conchology.
Oncology.
Oncology.
Okay, now, oncology ang basa dyan na yung CH, ang pagbasa ay letter K. Yung CH, that's conchology. Okay, so, pero yung nasa paa ninyo at sa kamay, cocology yun. Okay, so, hindi yung conchology. Okay, so, conchology is study on shells, ha? Okay, next, cytology, study of what?
Cells.
Okay, cells. Okay, so, say it,
Cells.
cytology.
Environment.
Cytology.
Psychology.
Next, ecology.
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 Next, embryology.
Embryology.
Embryology. Okay, so that's embryo. Okay, next we have entomology.
Entomology.
Okay, pangapag-aaral
Entomology.
tungkol sa insects. Next, evolution.
Evolution.
Okay, genetics.
Genetics.
Then we have helminthology.
Herpetology.
Okay, sa mga worms. Next, herpetology.
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 Reptiles. Next, histology.
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 Okay, tissues. Okay, next, lichenology.
Lichenology.
Okay, study of lichens.
Lichenology.
Ang basa dyan ay lichens. Say it, lichens.
Lichen.
Lichen.
Okay, so yung CH, ang basa ay letter K ha. Okay, so that's for lichenology. Next, mammalogy.
Mammalogy.
Mammalogy. Kapag hindi kayo sumusunod sa magulang ninyo, nandito kayo sa study na to. Mammalogy. Mamamalo ang mama nyo, papa nyo pag di kayo sumunod. Kaya sumunod ng maayos ha, para hindi mamalo at saka ni papalogy. Okay. Okay, joke lang. Okay, next, we have morphology.
Morphology. Morphology.
Morphology.
Mycology.
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 Yan.
Mycology.
So, may ada punja yan na mycology. Yung nasa kamay at paa, mycology. Okay, next, myology.
Myology.
Okay, so, myology. That's muscles. Study of your muscles. Okay, so katulad ng inyong tongue, it's strongest muscle. Okay, so next, ornithology.
Ornithology.
Okay, so study of what? Study of
Birds.
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 Okay, so mga pag-aaral tungkol sa ibon. Mahilig ba kayo sa ibon?
Yes.
Medyo, sir.
Ayan. Okay, yung ibon na lumilipad ha. Okay, so mayroon bang ibon na hindi lumilipad?
Wala po.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so yes. Pag mayroong ibon na hindi lumilipad, paliparin nyo. Sabi ganun yun. Okay, so then we have paleontology. Say it.
Paleontology.
Okay, so paleon. Sinabing paleon,
Mythology.
pag sinabing paleon, that's fossils. Okay, so mga nakaraan. Okay, so paleontology yun. Okay, next, parasitology.
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 Then we have pathology.
Pathology.
Psychology.
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 No. It's not psychology. It's
Psychology.
psychology. Say it.
Psychology.
Psychology.
Yung PH ang basa ay F. Okay, kaya yung PHY ang basa niyan ay ang PH ang basa ay F, psychology. Okay, then we have protozoology. Say it. Protozoology.
Protozoology.
Okay, then we have taxonomy.
Taxonomy.
Okay, and virology.
Virology.
Okay, so pakialala yan ha. Yan ang tungkol sa ating biology. Okay, so sa biology. Okay, so paki-screenshot. Okay, so as a grade 7 dapat alam niyo yung mga yan. Okay, so kung ano ang tawag diyan. Okay, so next one. Okay, so we have here the biology. Okay, so pag-aaral tungkol saan? Pag-aaral tungkol sa
Study of life po.
okay,
Living
study
things
of life. Okay. So biology comes from two Greek words. Ano yung two Greek words ng biology? Ang ating Yolboji. Biology comes from two Greek words, bios and logos. Pag sinabing bio means
Buhay.
buhay or life. Pag sinabing logy means
Logic.
study of. Okay, kaya lahat naman mga logis study of yan. Okay, criminology, okay, so psychology, paleontology, okay, yung mga binanggit natin kanina, okay, cytology, mammalogy, pathology, okay, yung ganun. Okay, so biology. Now, so we have the father of biology. Sino ang father natin ng biology? Andyan yung mukha na niya. Ayan, no? Kilala niyo yan? Sino siya? Si?
Aristotle po, sir.
Oh, exactly. Okay, so very good. Okay, so we have Aristotle. Say it, Aristotle.
Aristotle.
Hindi mabilis. Mabagal lang. Hindi Aristotle. Parang Aris. Yung pag mo kay Aris, ano lang din. Aristotle. Say it, Aristotle.
Aristotle.
Hindi nga mabilis, mabagal lang. Aristotle.
Aristotle.
Yan. Okay, so the father of biology, no? Okay, so ang dami niyang pinag-aralan tungkol sa biology. Ganyan si Aristotle. Okay, so now, could you please draw it in your notebook? Could you please write it in your notebook? Okay, so here's the ladder. Okay, so now requirement is a big notebook ha. You must have a big notebook kasi maraming sinusulat ang science. Dapat mayroon kayong big notebook saka ballpen. Kung wala kayong big notebook, manghiram, okay, or bumili. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Na-drawing na yung ladder. Okay, so pipicturean niyan anak ka, tapos ilalagay sa portfolio. Okay, so done? Okay na, tapos na?
Yes po,
Not
sir.
yet po.
Okay,
Sir.
thank you so much. Now, ngayon yung ladder na yan, ang gagawin nyo ay isusulat nyo. Okay, so i-rearrange nyo lang yung mga words na to. Ano kaya yung pinakauna? Number 1. Ang pinakauna ay yung lowest level of organization sa ating living things, sa mga may buhay. Alin kaya dyan yung number 1? I-rearrange mo lang. And then, ano kaya yung number 1? Pag sinagsama-sama yung number 1, magiging number 2. Ano kaya yun? Okay, so I'll give you a minute to answer. This is a review from your previous lesson. Okay, type on the chat box done if you are done. Okay, type on the chat box done if you are done. Ayan, thank you so much. Check your own ha, 5 points per correct answer ha, 5 points. Okay, so number 1, what could be in number 1? Just unmute your microphone.
Cell
Cell.
po.
Okay, so number 1 is cell. Number 2,
Tissue.
Tissue po.
okay, so number 2 magiging tissues. Number 3 ay
Organ.
Organ.
organs, followed by
Organ system.
Organ stem.
systems. Okay, so and so on and so forth. Okay, so yun yung bumubuo sa mga lahat ng mga may buhay. Okay, so nag-uumpisa yan tayo saan? Nag-uumpisa tayo sa cell. Okay, so pinaniniwalaan na nanggaling tayo sa cell. Okay, so yun. Okay, now then ang human body daw ay nanggaling sa cell. Okay, so malamang, okay, so nag-evolve lang daw tayo bilang isang tao. Okay, so yun yung isang sa mga teorya. Okay, now kapag complex organisms na, of course, okay, so yan na yung cells natin. Okay, so medyo complicated na. Now, pag pinagsama-sama ang cells, ano na?
Tissue.
Tissue po.
Okay, so magiging tissue na, di ba? Okay, so pag naging tissue, anong susunod?
Organ.
Organs po.
Okay, yes, magiging organs na. Okay, so then after organs, pag pinagsama-sama ang daming organs,
Organ system po.
okay, so magiging organ system na siya. Okay, so then pag pinagsama-sama lahat ng organ systems, okay,
Organism.
yes,
Organism po.
ilang organ systems mayroon tayo sa katawan? Approximately. There are many systems. Okay, so mga ilan body systems mayroon tayo? Okay, so mayroon tayong 11 body systems. Okay, so ngayon may laro akong ipopost. Okay, meron akong ipopost na laro. Okay, play nyo lang yan for 3 minutes ha, be honest. Then after 3 minutes, share at the chat box kung ilan ang score ninyo. Within 3 minutes lang ha. Okay, so share ko sa GC mamaya. Mr. President, ako sa sa GC, paki-add nyo po ako. Mr. President.
Okay po, sir.
Okay, paki-add ako sa GC. Now, pag pinagsama-sama lahat ng organism na pare-pareho, ang tawag ay
Population.
population. Pag sinabing population, same species same species. Halimbawa, population ng daga. Huwag mo isaming kalabaw, daga lang eh. Population. Population ng tao ay di population ng tao. Okay, so population ng grasses ay di grasses lamang. Okay, so yun yung doon. Okay. Ito yung laro ha. Okay, so paki-screenshot nyo nga yung laro. You can play it. Okay, so later. Okay, so or I will share later the link. Within 3 minutes lang. Okay, now we have here the 11 systems. Okay, so nandun yung sa laro yung 11 systems natin. Okay, so meron tayong 11. Okay, so number 1, we have what? Muscular.
Muscular system.
Okay. Letter U, ano kaya yan?
Urinary system.
Wow, ang
Urinary
galing.
system.
Letter R.
Reproduction. Respiratory.
Okay, so yes, reproductive or respiratory, okay lang. Letter D is
Digestive system.
Digestive
Letter E.
system po.
letter E.
Endocrine.
Digestive.
Yes. Endocrine system. Letter R,
Reproductive.
reproductive. Letter S, skeletal. Letter L, lymphatic system. Okay. Letter I, integumentary, yung sa balat. Okay. Letter N, nervous system. Letter C is circulatory or cardiovascular system. Paki-screenshot nyo mga anak para meron kayong guide. Okay, so those are 11 systems. Marami pang system, yan lang yung alam ko na sinama ko. Okay, so then microscope, sa pag-aralan nyo na to, di ba?
Yes, sir.
Opo, sir.
Tama ba? Okay, so napag-aralan nyo na microscope. Okay, so ito yung ating, dalawang klase ang microscope. Mayroon tayong light and electron microscope. Ang light microscope na hati sa dalawa, it's a simple microscope or compound microscope. Yung simple microscope, yan yung ano yung hand lens. Yung hinahawakan lang yung hand lens. Okay, yung compound, yan yung nakikita nyo sa right. Yun. Yung electron, dalawa. It's either scanning electron microscope or transmission electron microscope. Okay, so then ito yung mga parts. Napag-aralan nyo na to mga anak?
Opo,
Yes
sir.
po, sir.
Okay, so ano to? Tawag dito, screenshot nyo. Okay, so meron tayong, ang ibang terms, it's either, ano dito, pinakano, eyepiece lens or eyepiece. Then yung hinahawakan, draw tube. Okay, so dito naman, body tube. Okay, yung revolving nose piece dito, objective lens. Dalawa ang lenses natin. It's either high power or low power. Okay, then rough focusing knob. Another term niya is coarse adjustment knob. Then fine focusing knob or the fine adjustment knob. Handle or arm. Diaphragm dito. Okay, so yung nagko-control sa light. Then the mirror, the base, the arm or the handle. Okay, so any questions? Na screenshot na?
Opo,
Pakilagay
sir.
sa portfolio. Pakilagay sa portfolio ninyo. Electronic portfolio. Okay, so then compound microscope mayroong 3 major parts. Ano ang 3 major parts sa compound microscope? Meron tayong 3. Okay, so mechanical parts, magnifying parts, at saka illuminating parts. Paki-screenshot. Okay, Ang mechanical parts yung ginagamit para igalaw yung microscope. Yung magnifying, ginagamit para makita mo yung tinitingnan mo. Illuminating, ilaw, para maayos yung ilaw. Okay, so yun. Okay, then mayroon tayong ano to?
Cell po.
Plant cell.
Okay, anong
Cell.
klaseng cell?
Plant.
Plant cell.
Okay,
Plant
yes,
cell
plant
po.
cell. Ano mo nalaman na plant cell? How did you know that?
Kasi po yung shape niya po.
Central vacuum.
Box po.
Cell
Yes.
wall.
Okay, yung shape niya pa box. Pag may mga kanto-kanto, plant cell yan, automatic yan. Okay, so next. Ito, anong cell to?
Animal
Animal
cell.
Animal cell.
Okay, how did you know na animal cell yan?
Kasi po wala po siyang cell wall po.
Okay, yes, walang cell wall at hindi pa box, no? Kasi yan, any shape kasi yan, pwedeng itulak-tulakin mo. Okay, so kumbaga, tingnan mo yung katawan mo, pwede mong i-pinch, di ba? Ganyan yung kasi pabilog lang tayo. Pero yung halaman, hindi mo pwedeng ganituhin. Subukan mo yung acacia tree dyan, ganutin mo. Kaya mo ba? Pisilin?
Hindi po, sir.
So, hindi.
Hindi
Kasi rigid yun. Dahil saan? Ano ang nagpaparigid sa kanila?
Cell wall po.
Yes, presence
Cell
ng cell wall. Okay, so kaya hindi mo po pwedeng sabi, ang cute-cute naman ng halaman, pisil-pisilin mo. You cannot do that. Okay, so next one. Okay, so this one, plant cell, animal cell, anong pagkakaiba nila?
Yung plant cell. Yung
Yung
plant
ano
cell
po,
po, sir, may cell wall.
central
Tapos po yung
wall.
animal cell, wala po.
Okay, exactly. Okay, so yun. Yung nucleus, okay, tingnan nyo yung nucleus at saka yung vacuole. Yung vacuole ng plant cell, sobrang laki ng plant cell ng vacuole ng plant cell.
Kasi po yung source of water po.
Yes. Ang animal cell, konti lang. Hindi na kailangan ng animal cell medyo, kasi nga, umiinom naman tayo. Ang plant cell, kailangan nila ng storage talaga. Nandiyan na lahat. Okay, then ito, maobserbahan ninyo, anong naobserbahan nyo? Okay, so mayroon tayong iba't ibang klaseng organismo, no? May maliit, may malaki. Okay, so mayroon tayong classification of organisms. Okay, so kinaklasify ang organism sa dalawa. Ano yon? What are the 2 classification of organisms? They are classified as either prokaryotes or eukaryotes. Everybody say it. Prokaryotes.
Prokaryote.
Okay,
Prokaryote.
number 2, eukaryotes.
Eukaryote.
Okay, so pag sinabing prokaryotes, these are the unicellular. Pag sinabing eukaryotes, mayroon ng nucleus. May presence ng nucleus and can either be unicellular or multicellular. Paki-screenshot, anak. Paki-lagay sa electronic portfolio. Okay, so next one. Okay, so ang characteristic nito, pag sinabing prokaryotes, eukaryotes, yan, nandito. Okay, so prokaryotes, ano example? May bacteria, cyanobacteria. Pag eukaryotes, protists, fungi, plants, animals. Nuclear membrane, mayroon. Alin ang mayroong nuclear membrane? May nucleus. Or nuclear membrane is, may nucleus naman. Nucleus, parang nucleus lang ang presence dito sa prokaryotes. Maliit lang na parang DNA loop lang. Okay? Pero hindi tawag talaga niya nucleus. So eukaryotes lang ang may nucleus or nuclear membrane. Ang DNA, loop of DNA in the cytoplasm mayroon. Okay, so loop lang yan. So eukaryotes sobra. Okay, may DNA, very organized. RNA and protein. Okay, so RNA and protein both synthesized in the same compartment sa prokaryotes. Sa eukaryotes, pwedeng sa loob, pwedeng sa labas. Cytoplasm, okay, no cytoskeleton sa prokaryotes, yung maliit. Cytoskeleton, present, okay, yun yun. Cellular organism, cellular organization ng prokaryotes, ano yun? Unicellular. Ano ibig sabihin ng unicellular? Isang cell lamang. Okay, so pag prokaryotes. Pag eukaryotes, ang dami. Okay, so yun yun. Okay, then pinagpapalagay, okay, cell theory, ito yun. Okay, ang sabi dito, lahat daw ng living things ay binubuo ng isa o mahigit pang cells. Okay, sino yung sabi nun? Si Matthias Leiden at saka si Chodor Swan. Anong year yun? 1839. Sinabi yun. Pangalawa, cells are the organisms, basic units of structure and function. Another theory. Okay, teorya. Okay, na nangyayari naman. Okay, then pangatlo, cells come only from pre-existing cells. Ibig sabihin, ang cells daw, nanggaling lang sa cell. Totoo naman yun. Alam naman yung balot ay mamunga ng santol, ay balot yun eh. Kung balot, balot. Kung santol, santol. Kung cell, cell. Okay, manganganak cell din. Okay, sinabi yan ni Rodolph Virchow. Okay, so sabi niya, omnicellula acellula. Everybody say it?
Omnicellula.
Acellula. Okay, screenshot nyo mga anak. Okay, screenshot nyo. Then history nito ay ito yun. Okay, pag-aaral. 1665. Okay, binigay ang salitang term na cell. Okay, so doon ginamit ang salitang cell. Sino yung gumamit na yon? Si Robert Hooke. Okay, so then 1674. Okay, so Dutch naturalist. Okay, pag sinabing Dutch, taga saan? Pag sinabing Dutch, taga anong bansa? Pag Dutch. Siya ay taga Netherlands. Okay, so siya ay taga Netherlands. Okay, yun. Made the first microscope lenses, ha? Okay, so my first microscope na ang ginamit na lens ay yung ginawa ng Janssen Brothers, si Anthony van Leeuwenhoek. At siya din ang nagsabi na nag-describe ng red blood cells. Okay, so unobserved what he called animal kills. Okay, naka-observe din siya ng animal kills. Ang tawag na yun ay protozoa or bacteria. Saan yun? Sa pond water, rainwater, tsaka sa human saliva. Okay, so kaya pag may saliva, may ano yan, there is something. 1831, Robert Brown, na-discover niya yung nucleus, control center of the cell. 1835, Felix Duhardin. Okay, so found complex materials inside the cell and termed those as Charcot. Okay, so Felix Duhardin. Okay, 1838, Matthias Leiden. Everybody say it, Leiden.
Leiden.
Okay, so Matthias Leiden. Okay, siya nagsabi na ang lahat daw ng plants ay made up of cells. 1838 yun. Hindi rin nagpatalo. Mayroon din nagsabi, 1839. Ang sabi niya, animals are made up of cells. Okay, so sino siya? Si Chodor
Swan.
Chodor Swan. Okay, then 1839. Van pa lang basa niyan, anak, ha? Dito naman si Anthony van Leeuwenhoek. Ang basa niyan, Leuven. Yung W nagiging V. Katulad kay pag German, minsan kasi ganun. Okay, yung Swan dito, Svan, ang basa. Yung W naging V, Svan. Okay, dito, Leeuwenhoek naman, V. Dito ay Chodor Swan. Okay, 1839, Johannesburg Kenji. Okay, protoplasm. Okay, 1858, Rodolphe Virchow. Okay, so stated cells come only from pre-existing cells. Okay, so sinabi ng Rodolphe Virchow. Nasaan yan? Cell theory. Then, 1829, sabi ni Camilo Golgi. Everybody say it? Camilo Golgi.
Camilo
Camilo
Golgi.
Okay, so Italian siya ha. Okay, discovered the Golgi apparatus or apparatus. Okay, so any questions? Paki-screenshot mga anak. Paki-screenshot. Okay, so para may guide kayo. Okay na, na-screenshot na?
Yes, sir.
Opo.
Okay, so next. Okay, assignment. Okay, so performance task. Gagawin nyo ay, okay, please take screenshot of your performance task. Gagawa kayo ng did you know TV episode? Okay, did you know? Okay, so did you know that? Okay, so ganun. Gagawa kayo ng TV episode. Okay, so bibidyo nyo lang yung sarili nyo. Okay, so then pwede kang mag-print ng pictures tama mo sa pagsasabi. Okay, so babasahin mo lang yung nakalagay doon, yung self studies ko at saka yung self theory. Babasahin mo lang yon. Tapos pwede mong ilagay sa apps or ikaw na bahala mag-design. Then isasubmit nyo yung video output. Okay, to be submitted next week. Okay, so any question? Sa performance task, ang criteria niya is
Nothing
50%
po, sir.
content, 50% overall creativity. Okay, so yun. Okay, so sabi, the scientist is not a person who gives the right answers. He is one who asks the right questions. Kaya magtanong kayo. Kailangan yung tanong nyo tama. Huwag kayong tanong ng tanong. Okay, hindi. Ibig sabihin yan ay maging creative tayo. Okay, maging the best tayo. Okay, so sorry ha, medyo dito? Kumuha ng time. Okay, kasi first time lang natin. Okay, so any questions?
Nothing po.
No more, sir.
Okay, picture taking muna
Sir,
tayo.
yung class
Okay.
team po, kailan po ipapasa?
Last team, at least masubmitin nyo. Okay, after a month. After a month.
Thank you po.
Okay, anytime you can submit it sa Google Classroom. Okay, so you can submit it after a month. Isang buwan ang palugit doon. Okay. So kahit naman sa lahat ng performance task, isang buwan. Isang buwan ang palugit na maliban lang kung ano na ha, tapos ng grading system ha. Hindi na yun isang buwan. Okay, so yun. Or 1 week minsan. Okay, ang palugit. Okay, so picture taking. Okay, so 1. Make sure maliwanag ang lugar ninyo mga anak ha. Hindi dapat madilim. Kasi pag madilim, ang tendency matutulog kayo. Pag matulog kayo, wala kayo sa focus, wala kayong matutunan. Okay, so salamat. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Ayan. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. See you next week.
Sir.
Bye po, sir. Bye po, sir. Thank you
Bye-bye.
po.
Bye-bye. Okay. This is Sir Roland saying goodbye.
Cause I can't sleep.